Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and I'm quite excited about this video. We're going to be talking about how to triple your Forex account in 10 weeks using the portfolio settings approach. And you're going to see actual traded results showing the tripling of many currencies in trading accounts. Now in this video, I'm going to give you an update on the progress of our EA monitoring account. We're also going to look at a brand new currency database available to our paid members in our forum that they can use to find the best settings, the best currency, the best EA, and the best time frame to trade. We're also going to show you how you can create a winning Forex trading portfolio with as little as $300 in your Forex trading account. And then we're also going to be looking at the new monitoring account database. So let's get right into it. Now it's Saturday, the 20th of July. The market has just closed. And here's the status of our monitoring accounts today. Now we're trading over 52 monitoring accounts. There are an average of 8 robots being traded in every account, so that we are trading well over 400 Forex trading robots in this portfolio. Now if you look at the results, we are positive 75,000 and negative 47,000, so we are trading 400 robots on a profitable basis, on a portfolio basis. The average win for our 400 robots is 64%. So that shows that on the whole, our robots are trading very profitably. Okay, so now if we drill down into the actual 52 accounts that have been traded, and on your screen you can see the top accounts reflected. And you can see that the Make Money EA is still in the top position. It's generated $15,000 worth of profit on a $10,000 account. And it occupies the top 6 positions in our portfolio. Then you also have EAs like the Time of Day Hedged EA, the Grid Trend Multiplier EA, the RSI Hook EA, the Dream Machine, the Divergence Trader, the Magic Moving Average, and the Tradable MACD doing very well. So we don't put all our eggs in one basket. We have a number of EAs that are doing extremely well. Now if we drill down into this Make Money Aggressive 4-hour setting that we're using for the Make Money EA, if we drill down, we'll see it consists of 8 currencies. All of the currencies are currently positive. And if you look at the top currencies that are there, you can see that proportionately they have tripled the investment required to trade them. So that's where the tripling of your investment can occur if you catch the right EA, the right currency, and the right settings and time frame all at the same time. You can see all of them are positive, so this is a robust EA and the settings are obviously quite good. So that covers point 1. I've just given you an update on the progress of our EA monitoring accounts, which are still running pretty well. Now let's have a look at the new currency database, which I'm very excited about. Now if you visit our Forex Trading Setups forum and you are a paid member of this forum, and it's easy to do that, you just click on that subscribe button there, or you click on any page that is restricted to paid members. You can then join. And you then go down in this forum and you get to a section called Paid Subscribers, and it's about the Expert Forex EA monitoring account. Now there are sections for questions and answers, and there's also the portfolio that you've just seen comes from this particular section. But now we've added a downloadable database for all our monitoring accounts for use by our members. And I'm going to click on that. Takes you to this section, and I'm going to look at the currency downloadable database, because there's a number of downloadable databases that we have. Now let me explain how this has evolved. We have downloaded from FX Blue all the information of our 400 trading robots. We have downloaded that into Excel, and we have resorted it in Excel and made it available to our members. Now, this Excel worksheet is something that we work on every day. We update it and we make changes and that type of thing. And that updates real time into our forum, and there you can actually see our Excel spreadsheet displayed, and you can visit the various sections of this spreadsheet. If you can't see the data, just like Excel, you just move to the one side and you can continue looking at the various currencies as we progress through them. So this is a fantastic one. It is interactive. When you visit our website, you can go and sort these things and do all kinds of things with this database. So at the moment we're looking at, and I'll just go to the Power Punch EA. We're looking at the Power Punch EA. Let's say you want to sort it from unprofitable to profitable. You just go to like that, and it sorts. So you can do it live in the forum. You can go and play around with this database, doing things that you want to do with this forum. So if you were an owner of the Power Punch EA, you would want to see which settings, and there are the settings, are the most profitable, and which currency is the most profitable, and which time frame, which is incorporated in the settings, is producing the most profitable results. And you can do that by sorting all these columns. You can also sort, you can see there are some settings that are producing 100% results. You can sort and find all of that. So that's really fantastic database that you can use for all of our owners of our EAs. So if you're a Good Vibrations owner or Power Punch, you can just click into these and find the best setting, the best time frame, the best currency to trade. We've also thrown all the currencies on one database, and so you have a huge database here that you can also sort to see which currencies are the best currencies and which ones are the worst currencies. So you can do that too. And you can see some currencies have produced $5,000. That's one currency trading one setting on using one EA. It has produced $5,000. That's quite amazing. But you can go and sort this. If you don't like currencies that have too many trades, you can sort by trading level and all that kind of thing. So this is a very interactive database. What makes it even better is that you can view this database not only in our forum, but you can view it in your browser. So you just click here and you can see the whole workbook in your browser. So here it is. It is read only. You can't make any changes, but you can go and view all the things that we work with on a daily basis in the browser, which is a much better display than the forum display, which is a little bit small. So this has been quite a dramatic improvement to the way traders can find their best settings for specific EAs, but I'm also going to show you how you can find the best settings on a portfolio basis. So that covers point 2, the new currency database. Now I'm going to move on to how you can create a winning Forex trading portfolio depending on the size of your account. So we still stick to this currency database that I've just shown you, and what you do, there's a tab, the first tab that you'll see is designing your own portfolio, and I click on that, and there you can see what we've done is we've taken the best 2 results of all of our EAs and we've put them together. And why we've done that is that a balanced portfolio of currencies doesn't only consist of putting all your eggs in one basket and investing in the most profitable EA and the most profitable settings and currencies for that particular EA all the time for the next year or so. That is not going to get you the best results because the market trends sometimes and then it goes sideways sometimes and it trades in different ways. And the various EAs take advantage There are EAs that take advantage of trends. There are EAs that take advantage of sideways markets. And there are also currencies within the trending EAs that are better than other currencies. So you have to look at this from a multi-dimensional perspective. The downfall of most EA traders is that they trade one currency, one EA, one time frame, one set of settings, and they expect to succeed over the next year. The market changes all the time, so you have to have a trending EA, a sideways EA, and possibly throw in a grid trading EA. So here we've made this possible by suggesting to you, and these are suggestions, that if you are trading a micro lot, 0.01 lot size, you can trade that setting with a $200 account. If you want to trade mini lots, which is 0.1, then you need a $2,000 account. So now we're saying, okay, one of the questions we always get is how big an account size must I have? Now we're saying, okay, if you want to trade a micro lot of that particular setting, of that particular currency, that's how much you need in your account. So going down this list now, we've given you various account sizes that you can use to achieve these kind of results. And if you look at the examples that we're giving you here, let's say you have an account of $300. What you can do, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket and trading one EA, one set of settings, and one currency, what you can do is say, all right, I'm going to trade the make money conservative because that's doing the best at the moment. It's generated a 5,000 return. I'm going to trade 0.01 lots of that, so I'm only going to need 200 for that. Then I'm going to trade the RSI hook, and the reason being is it's a sideways market, one where the make money is a trending one, so I'm going to balance my risk, and I'm going to trade that many lots, and it's only going to cost me $30. And I'm also going to trade the power punch because that's also a sideways market. It's a different currency. So you're spreading your risk between different currencies, different EAs, and that's how much money I need for. And for the divergence trader, I need that much money. So for my $300, I can trade 4 different EAs and different currencies at the same time and spread my risk. You're not going to make a fortune, but you are going to be spreading your risk. So when the market changes from a trending to a sideways market, you are in a good position to hedge your risk quite nicely. Now, that is a $300 account. If you had a $10,000 account, you could be more creative, and you can have a lot more EAs trading. You can have a lot more currencies trading, and you can vary your lot sizing considerably. Now what we've created is a situation where, using current information, this is all current information, you can structure your portfolio the way you want to. And we always suggest that you have a mixture of trending EAs and sideways EAs to balance your risk. We also suggest that you never trade with an account less than $300, and hopefully this chart will give you a good view of how you can structure your portfolios. Again, this is available to our paid members under the most up-to-date currency analysis database, which you can use to create your own portfolio. If I go back again, and just to remind you where this comes from, and I'll go back again, it comes from downloaded database of all monetary accounts for use by members. Now that covers point 3 of the points that I want to cover in this particular video. We're now going to cover point 4, which is the new monitoring account database, which is available to our members. That database is in this downloadable monitoring account database, and it is the most up-to-date status of all the monitoring accounts being traded. So you just click on that and you get a very similar type of setup here. Here we are looking at monitoring accounts. The previous one we were looking at currencies. So here's a list of the monitoring accounts that you can again sort as you want. You can, but the beauty of this one, it has clickable links to the FX Blue statement, so you can go and analyze that account in more detail there. But it also has clickable links to the settings, so you can actually go and click on those settings and find out exactly the settings that are generating these fantastic results. We also do quite a bit of analysis work on this. If you go a little bit forward, we actually analyze what changes need to be made in the various accounts and that type again. Again, what I would suggest is download this into the browser, and there we are. So it displays a lot better in your own browser. Now, this covers the monitoring Forex account portfolio. We also got the underperforming Forex portfolio, which you can see there. We've got a laboratory Forex portfolio, and we've got the index portfolio. So we have various portfolios that you can look at, and all of them have got the FX Blue account that you can click on and the settings that were used for that particular account. But this is another database that we're making available to our members, and which is also sortable, and you can get a lot of information from us. The biggest advantage here is that it's a one-stop shop, is that you can now click on those links. Those are live links, and it'll take you to the FX Blue accounts, and these are also live links that will take you to the actual settings for that particular account. The other thing that you can do, which I didn't mention earlier, was you can actually download this Excel spreadsheet. So this Excel spreadsheet is also viewable in your browser, but also downloadable, so you can download that and go and play with it on your own computer as you like. Now, in this video, we've spoken about a lot of EAs. If you want more details about the EAs, just go down to our website. It's expertforex.com, and here are the EA details. You just click on the EA that you want to go and get more details about, and it will take you to the marketing page of that particular EA. The other thing that I must make you aware of, which is very important, you'll see that we do follow a portfolio trading approach. We want our clients to use different EAs, different currencies, different time frames to get the best chance of getting a successful portfolio of Forex trading robots. Your chances, if you trade one robot with one setting, one currency, are reduced tremendously because you're putting all your eggs in one basket. If you're trading a range of EAs, you have a better chance. And as you've seen earlier, you can trade a range of EAs quite comfortably with a $300 account. Now, to make that possible, we have made a very special deal in that we are selling most of our trading EAs, 14 of them, for 80% off. So if you come to the site, you click on the 80% off button, you actually get our EAs. You actually get 16 of our EAs worth $3,200 for $640. Now, why we do that is that we want to encourage traders to trade portfolios rather than single EAs. And furthermore, if you use crypto, you get an even bigger reduction in price. Now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. I was particularly excited about the downloadable database analysis features that we have now added to our forum for our paid members. If you haven't purchased our special 80% bundle offer, I would suggest that you do that before either the price increases or the offer gets reviewed. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.